Be honest, how many times have you opened one of those ear cleaning videos thinking, alright, this is kinda weird, just one quick watch, and then suddenly you're 20 videos deep, fully invested in someone else's ear like it's a Netflix series. Yeah, same. And the craziest part is, it stops feeling gross after like 10 seconds. It actually becomes satisfying, almost relaxing. So what is it about these videos that just locks you in? Because this isn't random. There's a reason your brain refuses to click away. So first, your brain is obsessed with finishing things. Like, it hates loose ends. That's why you feel weird stopping a show halfway through an episode or leaving a task unfinished. Ear cleaning videos are basically designed to exploit that. They always follow the same pattern. There's buildup, you see the tool go in, slowly, piece by piece, it comes out, and then perfectly clean. That final moment, that's your brain getting closure. It's like scratching an itch you didn't even know you had. And the second it's done, your brain immediately wants that feeling again. When you watch those close-up shots inside the ear, your brain kind of imagines the sensation. Not fully, but just enough. That's connected to something similar to ASMR. You know that tingly, oddly calming feeling? Yeah, that. Your ears are super sensitive in real life, so when you see something being gently cleaned out, your brain goes, wait, that looks like it would feel good. And it creates this weird mix of relief and curiosity. At the same time, there's also this deeper instinct kicking in. Your brain sees something that shouldn't be there, and then watches it get removed. That taps into a very basic, almost survival type response. Problem to solved to relief. And your brain rewards that with a little dopamine hit. Not huge, but enough to keep you watching. These videos are structured perfectly to trap your attention. They don't rush. They drag it out just enough to build tension. Like, is that going to come out? Wait, there's more? And then right when you get that satisfying payoff, you scroll. And boom, another one starts instantly. New ear, new buildup. Same cycle. Your brain doesn't even get a chance to reset.